Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
It is our project title. Our project title name is a collaborative DDoS defensive framework using the network function virtualization. It is our project abstract. In our process, the DDoS defense mechanism named COFNs with the facilities the domain help the domain collaborative network among the NFV based domain networks. COFNs allows the domain networks to help each other in handling the large volume of DDoS attacks throughout the resource sharing. Specifies that we design dynamically the resource allocation mechanism for the domains so that the resource allocation is the fair and efficient and incentive compatible. The resource sharing mechanism is modeled as the multi-leader followers stack Berg's games. In this games allows the domains to have the degree of the control to maximize their own utility. The resource the supplier the domains determines the amount of the resource to each the request per based on the optimizing a reciprocal based utility the functions. In this games all the domain have the degree of the control to maximize their own utility. The resource supplier domains determines the amount of the resource to the each of the questions and peer based the optimizing a reciprocal to based the utility functions. On the other hand, the resource request the domains decides the level of the demand to the send the resource supplier the domains in other the reach sufficient support. Our simulation result demonstrate that the design the resource allocation game is efficiently and incentive and compatible, fair and reciprocal. The DDoS attacks has evaluated to the increasingly powerful and destructive, which can cause the server damage to the internet service provider (ISP) and the online services for the resource limitation small and medium-sized organizations. The growth of the DDoS of services has further made attacks much easier to be launched in the sense that all of the attacks need to be into the visit the website and the customers and schedule and pay for these attacks. Some recent incidents show that the DDoS attacks are becoming stronger and more than frequent. For the example, the spam has attacks is generated the 300 gap attacks the traffic and thus the number of this been increasing the 600 GPS. There are the two major types of attacks traffics: IP pooling attacks and resource IP based attacks. The resource based IP attacks DDoS attacks is commonly utilized the compromising node on the internet called boot and zombies to launch this on attacks. On the other hand, the IPOS is spoofing the DDoS on emergency optimization. That fundamental goal of the reach the facilities the analysis and diagnose the interventional and surgery in this most efficient way. It is our project flow diagram. In our flow diagram, there are these two types of persons are involved in this process. The first person is the network admin, and the second person is client. So the network admin process is the network admin can be involved in this process. They have the first process then load the URL data. The network admin can be load this all of this in the browser URL and all website URL data can be uploaded for this process. The URL data are all data are uploaded for this servers for the networking servers and networking domains. So the second process is an NFV creation. The admin can be create the NVF creation process. The NVFB is an all types of routers and hubs, all of these virtual memories, all of these created this so for the single server. It is an NVF creation. The NVF is the large of the server. The server can be created with all of this router and hubs, all of the combination of this server. So this server is in high speed and high secured for this another compared to the another normal servers. So the network admin can be upload this loaded for this URL data. This data can be stored for this NFV server creation, NFV server. So the admin admin can be set for this firewall settings. So the firewall can be more stronger. The firewall is an for it can be used for this stop this all of this DOS attacks, and it can be used for this all information between the DOS attacks information. So the firewall can maybe become strong. So the admin can be set this NFV's firewall settings. So the after the firewall settings can be completed, this goes to the DDoS direction. If the firewall can be settings, the any one of DDoS attacks can be occurring in this process. The DDoS all of attacks information can be monitoring, and it can be displayed for this in this process. So the DDoS attacks can be detection in this process. So this firewall settings and the DDoS detection process can be completed. It can be goes to this node creation and node transmission. The node means the data. The data means data can be sharing in internet. The data can be data means the packets. The packets can be sharing from the one source to destination. It can be goes to this single path and multiple paths. But any one of the traffics can be acquired. The data some of this buffer can be acquiring this process, because this internet traffic can be acquiring for this fields. So we can be avoiding this internet fields in the database attack detections. So the node creation process can be the network can be created this node. Node means the data can be transmission. Node creation can be completed. It can be goes to the transmission process. After the node transmission process can be completed, the data nodes packets can be sent for this server creation. The server maybe it is in some of this destination server. So the destination server, the NFE server is a source. The source server can be source service data can be cross over this server creation. So the destination process server creation process can be written this node for this DDoS directions. If any one of this the server can be passed to this node creation to the NFE creation NFE server to normal server. So this any one of in becomes times any one of these attacks can be occurred. This DDoS attacks can be occurred. This attacks information all of the stored for this normal DDoS direction. So this firewall can be high secured, and the DDoS direction can be gives this all of attacks details. When the user when the client can be come inside, the client can be enter this username and password, then it goes to this URL browsing the URL process. If you get searching for this any your browsing URL address, for example www.google.com, if this any one of the attacks can be acquiring these pages in URL page, the website can be blocked, or 404 server problems. Those types of attacks can be occurred. So this any one of these attacks can be display this user. But in this process, the any one of the attacks can be acquired. The NFE server can be gives for some of the alert on server messages. So the attack can be acquired. The attacks can be suddenly viewing the DDoS attacks detection, and it can be secured for this DDoS detection and malware detection process. Okay, it is our project networking process on our main concept for this project. So it is on project name, Java project name. If you open this networking project, when the some of the packages can be opened, so click this source package. The source package, the graph, images, photo, networking. But also it is a networking process in our main concept. So click this, open this package. So click this home page and right click this button, run file. If you click this run file, our project home page can be run. Okay, can be displayed for this swing concept. So it is on project home page. Our project title name is Collaborative DDoS Defense Framework using the Network Function Virtualizations. So it is our project home page. So click this home page. So it is an admin. Our admin login page can be view this process. So the admin can be enter this process. So click this admin name, caps AD admin, password admin 123. So secret key is in 123. So click this login process. The admin can be display message can be displayed for this login success. So the admin can be enter this process. So click this OK. So it is in first our the admin can be load this all of these URL pages and get this URL IPs. So click this browse. So click this data set and click this URL address text. So click this open. So it is an admin can be displayed this all of this URL display URL address. It is an original IP for this google.com. So it is an original IP for this google.com, and it is in Yahoo. All of these URL IPs can be get in this process. The admin can be get this domain names and IPs. So next process, it can be click this in this button, it can be goes to the next process. So it is the network functional virtualization creation, the server creation process. So we can be create this server. So click this, give this 4-digit port number for this your user choice. So click this gateway, which gateway process that data can be transferred. So I can use for the 3001. So in this field, the number of servers, how many server can be created for this NV network function virtualization concept. So I can be gives for this 5. So click this 5. The how many nodes can be data, dot nodes means the data packets, how many data packets can be travel in this process. So I can be gives this 100. Click this, it is in starting time can be started. So it is in next process is then source node. So how many source node means how many source node can be traveling this process. 98 on destination node. Click this destination on the click this 98. This for all of these is the choice. So number of server can be, how many server you can be gives this server can be created. Okay, so click this NTFs. Okay, NFV is created. So next process is on server allocation. So we can be used for this number of server is 5. So the 5 server can be created. So click this, only 5 server. Click it can be a server allocation process. Server allocation process means capacity fixing. Okay, capacity fixed for this server. So I can be click this server 1 and click this capacity is medium. So gives, okay, the server 1 is medium. So next we can be click this server 2. It is in very high. So it is in very high. So third is on click this medium, it can be medium. Okay, fourth is very large, it is in very large. So fifth is, it is all of this user choice. User can be use any of this capacity levels. So sensor 5 is on, okay, server 5 is in very high. Okay, all of the process can be setting, process can be computed, the server can be started. So click this server allocation. Okay, enough server allocation process can be created successfully. It is an enough node creation. In how many nodes can be, you can be use the server can be this node can be traveled for this one to source to destination. So it is in server, I can be 10 nodes for this 1 2 3 4, it is in 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I can be used for only 10 nodes. So you can be use any of the nodes. Okay, the 10 nodes, the 10 nodes can be traveled from the source to destination and each another. Okay, click this. So it is a traveling node transformation. Okay, in the travel node, the 10, this 10 nodes can be traveled from one to one. Okay, this, so this page can be view this, how many times can be traveled. Okay, click this node traveling path. Okay, it is in a node traveling path. In it is 10,000 times can be traveled for this one node to another node and a destination path. So it is in node 21 20. It is a node traveling nodes. How it turn, they are to nodes creation. It is node name and it is in traveling traveling node. Traveling node node number can be displayed in this process. Okay, all of the nodes information can be viewing this process. So next process is on firewall creation. So firewall creation is an important process in it is because the firewall is in one of the security. So it can be first process can be detected this DOS attacks. So click this firewall name. Give you the anyone of the, give anyone of the name for this firewall. So I can be gives this admin. So our firewall name is admin and the second is port number. Port number means any one of the port number can be given 77001. It is on the firewall server port number. So our fire set is firewall IP. You give some of this wrong IP, so you can be gives this IP check IP. The error message can be displayed. So you can be gives your correct IP. I gives the 192.168.0.23. It is our system IP can be gives for verification can be complete. So fix this subnet mask. So I can be give the system subnet mask 221.0.223. Okay, it is a system, it is an IP subnet mask. So verification complete, it can be displayed. So connection provider means how many connection may be provided in this process. I can be gives 54 connections. Okay, access speed I can be gives 100 below 100. Okay, 89, it is an 18 kilobit per second. So it is access speed for internet access speed. So security level it can be gives is high. So click this high. The all of information can be created. The firewall created in starting process when the firewall is automatically created. Okay. Click this. So it is in process of this admin process can be start. Okay. When this admin can be involved in this process, the client also be involved. Okay. First we can be click this client run file. In this process the client can be involving. Okay, it is in client. So click this username is client and it is in password is in client 123 client 123 and user ID is 123. So click this login success. When this client page can be open. Okay, this it is in client page. The client can be enter this page and can enter this URL and searching process can be start. So when this click this image, the searching engine process. Okay, it is an admin page, it is in client page. When the client can be give some of the URL address google.com. So click to search and the client can be receive this URL address. Okay, and it can be response this page. Okay, response page and it can be receiving. So server problem. Okay, server problem means some of these attacks can be occurring this process. So some of the attacks can be occurred. The firewall can be detected in NVF firewall can be detected this attacks and all information can be stored for this process. So when we can be receiving can be gives for this some of the different types of Yahoo search receive yahoo.com response process and receiving. Okay, some of the attacks this page can be attack can be acquired. There's a DDoS attack can be acquired. So this page website can be completely blocked. So this NFA firewall can be detect this all of the attacks. So click this page. So click this the view buttons. This it is in all of its DDoS attacks, IPs and all information can be display this field numbers and days. All of information can be displayed fields. So the total 760 attacks can be involving this process. So attacks can be acquiring this NPF server. It is in attacks types worms and Trojan horse and ransomware and spy adware and these types of attacks can be occurring this process. So thank you.